Hello YouTube, Garage Boys back at it again. So we're gonna show you another infamous fix, and it's coming from the Acura. If you have a 2003 to 2007, maybe even after that, Acura sedan, like a four-door, any automobile, the TL, the TSX, and all those, you probably most likely 99% of the chance have the battery drain issue. What happens is if you don't turn on your car every day or every other day, your battery is gonna drain and you can't turn it on. That's very, very common with this cars. It's basically an infamous fix, and we're gonna show you how to fix it right now. So here we go. Come inside your car, and the issue that drains the battery, it's your Bluetooth device that's in here. What it is your Bluetooth starts to search for a phone when your car is off, and it stays on searching, and then I guess it just drains your battery. So what you can do, there's two fixes. You can just unplug the device, or you can replace it. So let me just show you how to access it, and I'm gonna put the part number in my description. I'm also gonna put a link from Amazon if you wanna buy it. It's not that expensive, but I'm just not gonna use it. I'm just gonna unplug it because I guess I don't use it anyways. But anyways, what you need is just a thin flathead, just like this basically, or a pocket knife, and you're gonna come in here, and this sunroof button right there, just pop it out just like that, and there's a plug. You're gonna unplug that. It's okay. You're gonna unplug that by pressing in the middle. If I can show you, see, press that button and pull. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but I just did it because I'm cool. Okay, so just do that. Put it on the side. Then you're gonna come in here and just put your two fingers in here and kind of pull this out. Let's see. There you go. So there's a clip right here. There's a few clips here and there, as you can see. This is the main clip. So you pull that out, right? And now you're gonna come in here, and we're gonna remove this. There's four. There's size 7. It's this one, this one, this one, and this one. Remove those. There's, like I said, there's size 7, and this is the setup that I have for this. All right, so give me 1 second. I'm gonna take those off and show you what to do next. So I just removed the part, this cover. Those were size 8mm bolts. I'm sorry, I thought it was 7, but it's actually 8. So use your 8mm socket. And now once you get this down, this is your part right here. So if you wanna, you can replace it. That will solve the problem. If you touch it, it's actually hot or warm because it's actually it's still on, so it stays, it gets hot. What you can do, what I'm gonna do is just unplug it, and that will solve your issue. Just press this button right here, and cool, just like that. And I'm just gonna put everything back together. But I'm gonna put all this information on the part in my description below. That way you can even buy it if you want to through Amazon or whatever website I have those down at the bottom. And I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, please share it or subscribe. Let your friends know. I bet this video will save you money, because I know how hard it is to keep jump starting your car and thinking it's the battery, and then having all that change and replace and stuff. But nope, this is the issue. And thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care.